everyone.
Let's learn some colors. Red color, dark green color, yellow color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color. Let's draw some fruits.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
Strawberry,
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock.
apple,
Struck 3, diddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
banana,
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4.
watermelon,